guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today is release day. Yay! So we have a brand new box of the month, stamp and die of the month, stamp of the month, and a paper pad club of the month. So I'm going to share all the products with you that are available on the site. You can purchase some of the items individually, but you are getting the best deal when you purchase the box of the month. You're getting 20% off the retail price. Plus, if you sign up for the subscription, you are getting 25% off the retail price. So super awesome deal. I'll have the links in the description box for you. We are doing an inspiration hop. So if you go into the description box, you'll see the links to all the people in the video hop. Click on each link and leave a comment, come back to the Rafflecopter link to enter into the giveaway for a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. You can click the hashtag that's provided in the description box, but we provided the links down below in case the hashtag brings up some other videos, because I noticed YouTube now is including like different videos other than what's on the hashtag, so it kind of makes it difficult. So let's dig in and share the cards and the products. I also have the 3 dies available for separate purchase. This does not come in your box of the month, so if you want the die, head on over to the shop and add the die to your cart. There are limited quantities, and I think once these are gone, they will be gone. So they're for all 3 of the stamp sets. So let's go ahead and start sharing those stamp sets. We've got Hey Lady, which is a super cute set. I love the sentiments in here. Hello Spring, Love Bug, Heard Ya Caught a Bug, Hey Lady, Thought I'd Bug Ya. So perfect just for like any reason. So if someone's sick, even you can use the love bug for like a Valentine or like to your hubby or something. So really cute set. Let me share the card that I did using that. So I created a slimline card and I put this guy on an action wobbler, and I have Hey Lady as my sentiment. I used the grass at the bottom, which is really nice. You can use that throughout all your projects that you are creating scenes for. Then we have the stamp set here. This one's called Spring is Change, and I love this big sentiment here. Spring, a lovely reminder of how beautiful change can truly be. There's no one like you, and spring blessings, and I love the font on that. We have a 2-step stamping butterfly, some clouds, a bird, and this beautiful image of the gnome, mushroom, and ladybug. So let me share the card I did. So I actually did 2 cards using that stamp set. So here's the first one. I have the sentiment, there's no one like you. This paper in the background is from the Happy Frogs paper pad that I'll be sharing. And I created the cute little scene. There was no masking done for this card. This was all one stamp, stamped right on top of his hat, and then the clouds. This one here, I used that large sentiments in these pastel colors. I used the Catherine Pooler inks. I'll try to have that linked in the description box for you. And then the beautiful grass that's in this stamp set. Isn't that gorgeous? There's the 2-step butterfly, the clouds, and the bird. The next stamp we have Happy Spring. It's really cute. This frog coordinates with the paper pad. We've got happy birthday, happy spring, so happy for you. And then there's a little ladybug, a fly, a couple of flowers, a mushroom, and a lily pad, and some cattails. And the card I did for that turned out really cute. So I have the happy birthday sentiment. I added glossy accents to the eyes in the center of the flowers. And this card I did some masking. So I have process videos on all of these cards. If you go back to my sneak peeks, we have 5 videos. And then for the ephemera, I'll pull them out for you really quickly. I did this card, added him to a wobbler as well, popped up my sentiments, you're cute as a bug, added another piece of ephemera in the corner, and just layered up the papers that coordinate. So let me pull this out really quickly. I'm going to share the stamp of the month and the paper pad club with you as well at the end of the video. So this is such a cute collection. So the designer is Monique Cannon, and she is the gal that designed my logo and some of my stamps from the early days. So if you like her style, you're gonna love this collection. Really just fun and springy. We've got some sentiments on banners, mushrooms, and these little ladybugs are the cutest thing ever. Look at that one with the bow. So super cute. So if you go back to my reveal videos, I do go over this in greater detail, so if you want to check that out. The next two cards are from the ephemera, from the Happy Frogs set, and look how cute that is. The stamp, "You Are Totally Awesome," is from that cute little frog stamp set. And then I just popped up some of the ephemera, layered up some of the papers, and here's the other one. It's just really just happy and springy. I just love it. So let me pull this out quickly. I don't want to make this video too long for you. So look how cute these images are. The frogs, they're just so stinking cute. So we've got some in different sizes. There's a little pond. And then some florals and a little heart cluster. Just so stinking cute. And the cattails. So like I said, you could go back to my previous video where I lay them one by one out for you. And here are the two paper pads. They are just so gorgeous. Love these colors and the ladybugs, the polka dots. You get 4 of each design, 24 double-sided designs. Look at that, so pretty. Let me flip through it really quickly. So I'll flip through my packs. The papers are missing because I was making cards with it, but just so you could get an idea of the beautiful prints in here. Just gorgeous. And the ladybugs, the little ladybugs. Love that beautiful bright red. How cute is that? Super, super fun, playful. So let me share the stamp and die of the month and the cards that I'm working on. So let me share the stamp and die of the month, the cards that I'm working on, the paper pad club. We have spring tulips and spring gingham. So for our stamp and die of the month, we have Just For You. We got a water canister here, and you can fill it up with these beautiful flowers. The sentiments Just For You. We've got a happy that you can pair up with birthday, Easter, Mother's Day, and spring is here. We've got some solid hearts and an open heart. And the die does cut out the inside here of the handle and all the sentiments. And here are the cards that I'm going to be working on. So I just wanted you to see how it looked when you die cut it. And then you can add this right underneath the little canister, so it looks like the flowers are coming out of there. You can put your sentiments on top or stamp them straight on. Here's a Just For You. Looks really nice across the canister. And then here are some other images that I've colored. And I was working on a layout. So we're going to have a hop on the 7th for the stamp of the month. So I'm just getting ready for that. So you can see my beautiful layers here. This is going to go in the center. And how pretty is that? And then here's another option. So really, really fun, beautiful set. So let's dig into the paper really quickly. So the spring gingham, same pattern, just beautiful colors. They coordinate with this paper pad. So beautiful spring colors, just gorgeous. We've got like a lighter shade and a darker shade. So you could have 2 shades of each color. Isn't that pretty? So that's the spring gingham and the spring tulips. So Teresa, who designs the paper pads, her favorite flower is tulips. So she was very excited to put this one together. The artist just, you know, captured the beautiful tulips just beautifully. Look at that. So a nice little like stripe with tulips. How cool is that? So we got some solids in here, so you can use those to match your cards. And then there's some images in this one. So some beautiful tulips in this basket. You get 4 sheets of this, so you can create multiple cards using those images. It's a nice dark pink, nice polka dots. So really beautiful paper pad. So I hope you guys get lots of inspiration on the hop. I am going to go hopping and see what the design team created. I know it's going to be just awesome. Don't forget to come back and click the Rafflecopter link for a chance to win the $25 gift certificate to the shop. Now, if you're wanting to join the club for the box of the month or any of the subscriptions, there's a drop-down menu and you'll pull that down to choose monthly for your frequency, and that's going to get you the extra discount in your shopping cart, and then that'll get your subscription every month. So every 30 days it'll ship out. So thank you so much, guys, for supporting my small business, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.